turn them on. Turn them off. Now push the button to that just opens them and doesn't turn them on. Okay. Do it again. Okay. Down on the. Okay. Now all the way up. Okay, in the middle. No. Okay, do it again. And the other one. Okay, stop, put it in the middle. Put the hazards on again. And push the brake. Okay, let go of the brake. On the left one, you see the tip of it has got a little thing you can turn. Turn it all the way up to the top. Okay, now push the brake. And let go. Okay, turn the hazards off, turn the headlights off. So I got the door open. I'm going to turn the key to accessory or on. You can see all my warning lights over there come on. Check engine light comes on. Obviously cruise control, and the other ones aren't. If I start the car, see everything is gone except for the seat belt and the door. We'll close the door. That's off. Put my seat belt on. So we can do this. Sorry about the shaky cam. There we go. Put the seat belt on. And just like a lot of cars, the sensor in that seat is a little flaky, so it wants the other seat belt connected. Yeah, normally I'd ignore it. We'll go ahead and put that in. You can see that when I do, it goes up. And of course the check engine light is not on. Clock works. Of course, it does not have the original stereo. So it's this one.
If you want to add extra comfort and protection,
this one's nice because it does have Bluetooth, calling, and audio. Box manual, it has a remote, all that will be included too.